Hey V-Team, it's that time of year again. Apple just revealed its newest device, and we've got the best offers on America's most reliable 5G network.
Tell your friends and family that for a limited time, new Verizon customers and existing customers adding a new line on the Unlimited Ultimate plan can get iPhone 15 Pro on us, or up to $1,000 off any iPhone 15 model with any iPhone trade-in, guaranteed. Looking to upgrade? Existing customers can upgrade and get up to $830 off the new iPhone 15 lineup with select trade-in on qualified unlimited plans. And if you're looking to smarten up your wrist, you can get the new Apple Watch Series 9 for less than $6 a month or Apple Watch Ultra 2 for $19 a month when you purchase select iPhones with a qualified watch trade-in. And the savings continue. Be sure to pair that new iPhone with some new accessories. For a limited time and while supplies last, you can get 25% off Apple MagSafe chargers and 20% off select cases and screen protectors for the iPhone 15 lineup.
Now team, before I go, be sure to take note that pre-orders for this new device will start this Friday, September 15th. And while pre-orders are not yet open to our V-Teamers on the Employee Phone program, we'll be announcing when they'll be available, so stay tuned. Until next time, you're up to speed.